Roundabouts can be tricky to navigate, especially for learner drivers. One of the most important skills to master is staying in your lane and positioning yourself correctly. In this video, we'll focus on the Broomfield Roundabout, showing you exactly how to approach, enter, and exit while staying safe and in the correct lane. Whether you're new to driving or just need a refresher, understanding the key steps can make all the difference in avoiding common mistakes and driving confidently. Let's dive in. On approach to a major roundabout, it's important to look for any information that will guide us. Think of it as an instruction manual for safely navigating the roundabout. These instructions can come in the form of signage or road markings. As we approach the roundabout, notice the signage on the right, located between the carriageways. This is our first indication that a roundabout is ahead. It not only shows us the layout of the roundabout, but also gives directions on which exit to take. We want to continue straight ahead, following the signs for City Center, which leads to the second exit. As we get closer to the roundabout, the next set of guidance comes from the road markings. Although they're quite faded, our lane is marked with both a straight and left arrow. These markings are repeated again as we near the roundabout, although once again they are faded. As we approach the junction, use your MSM, mirrors, signal maneuver, or smile, speed, mirrors, indicate, look, enter routine to guide you. These routines will help you make the right adjustments, from checking your mirrors and signaling to reducing your speed and looking for hazards. As you approach the roundabout, pay close attention to the direction of your lane. There's a slight left turn before we reach the giveaway point, so it's essential to observe, plan, and anticipate. Correct positioning on a roundabout is crucial. Keeping the video paused here allows me to highlight a common learner driver fault. Notice how our lane curves slightly to the left. Many learners start straightening the wheel as they approach the giveaway line. Doing this risks straight-lining the roundabout. Straight-lining means driving in a straight line instead of following the curve of your lane. If you do this, you'll likely end up in the middle lane, cutting off other drivers and earning a serious or dangerous fault, especially if the examiner has to intervene. Taking the video on a little, you can now see that from this position when entering the roundabout, we could easily end up in the wrong lane. To avoid this, maintain proper lane discipline by aiming the car in the correct direction of travel. For this roundabout, positioning may look like you're heading towards the first exit, but that's intentional to stay within your lane. When it's safe, enter the roundabout and keep close to the left. Although your position might suggest you're taking the first exit, your lack of a left signal indicates to other drivers that you're continuing. There are no lane markings until just before the first exit. Once they appear, you'll see why our initial positioning was so important. It naturally keeps us in the left-hand lane. After passing the first exit, use your MSM routine. Mirrors. Check your center and left mirrors. Signal. Indicate left. Maneuver. Take the exit staying in the left lane. We approached in the left lane, navigated in the left lane, and exited in the left lane, keeping everything smooth, safe, and test-friendly. Remember, the key to mastering any roundabout is observation, planning, and maintaining good lane discipline. Practice is essential, so keep getting out there and building your confidence with every roundabout you approach. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more driving tips and advice. Do you have any other tricky junctions or driving challenges you'd like me to cover? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe and take care.